video, you will learn how to create your own edSPIRIT instance. To begin, go to the edSPIRIT website at www.edspirit.com. Click on the Get Started button. On the pricing page, choose your plan according to the number of users, billing cycle, and other requirements. You can try edSPIRIT for free with our starter plan, which supports up to 50 users. It is possible to upgrade or downgrade your plan in the future once your organization has been established. Once you picked your plan, click on Create Your Site. Take a moment to introduce yourself by filling out the form below. After submitting the form, you'll receive a verification email. Next, click the Verify button in the email to proceed. After verification, you will be redirected to the site creation page. Proceed by filling out this form. Here, choose a subdomain, but remember to avoid using well-known brand names or trademarks. Type in your edSPIRIT site name. Now, assign an admin to your site. Choose a username and a secure password based on the given criteria. Select the default language for your site. Hence, click Submit to reach the payment level, where you will be redirected to the payment page. Here, enter your payment details and click on Subscribe to finalize the setup. Your organization will be created and you will receive an email with all the necessary access details like your admin console link. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your edSPIRIT instance. Now, your site is available and you can simply customize it in your admin console. The Learning Management System, also known as the LMS, allows you to manage and deliver your courses, while the Studio lets you craft your educational content. Are you ready for the next step? Join us on this journey and watch our next videos or visit our knowledge base for more help.